Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat to Squarespace using Elfsight. This is a fantastic way to provide instant communication with your website visitors, making it easier for potential customers to reach out and connect with you directly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to elfsight.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but if you're already set up, just sign in and we'll move forward. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, click on Add New App. This will open up a search function where you can browse through Elfsight's widget library. In the search bar, type WhatsApp chat and click on it when it appears. This widget is specifically designed to integrate WhatsApp communication directly into your website, streamlining the way visitors can contact you. Now you'll be presented with various templates for your WhatsApp chat widget. Browse through the available options and select the one that best matches your website's design and functionality needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template. This takes you to the customization interface where you can really tailor the widget to suit your brand. In the customization section, you can connect your WhatsApp number or link. This is essential because it's the contact point where messages will be directed. Additionally, you have the freedom to edit the content, such as the greeting message visitors will see, adjust the settings to control when and how the chat appears, and modify the appearance to align with your website's color scheme and style. Take your time here to ensure everything looks professional and inviting. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Publish. This finalizes your widget settings. After publishing, you'll see a confirmation, and you can click the Close button to exit that dialog. Now locate the three dots beside your WhatsApp chat widget in your Elfsight dashboard. Click on these dots, and from the menu that appears, select Embed Code. This will generate the code you need to integrate the widget into your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy this code to your clipboard. Next, switch over to your Squarespace account. On the left side menu, click on Website, and directly under it, click on Pages. This brings up your site's page structure. Keep your focus on the left side menu again, and look for Custom Code. Click on it, then select Code Injection from the submenu. This is where you'll paste the embed code to make the WhatsApp chat appear on your site. In the code injection area, find the footer field. Paste the embedded code you copied from Elfsight into this footer section. Pasting it in the footer ensures the chat widget loads on all pages of your site. Once the code is pasted, click Save to apply the changes. Your site may take a moment to process this update, so give it a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully added WhatsApp chat to your Squarespace site, making it incredibly easy for visitors to reach out to you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.